You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two contractions, abbreviations, short forms in English. The top word is pronounced as will. Will, as in we will. This is short for we will. Will, as in will be right, will be on time. The bottom word is the contraction of I will, and it's pronounced as I'll, as in I'll do it, I'll be ready on time, I'll. Will and I'll. How to pronounce in English? English pronunciation. Will, I'll. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.